This is a short video on what to do to slow down a fall on firm snow. If traveling on foot, act quickly. Don't let the speed get out of hand. Get your feet below you. For this, you may have to roll or flip yourself over. And then begin to dig in. Face the slope and use your toes and hands to dig in a clawed position. Act quickly. Get your feet below you and then dig in. A wide stance is good for stability. A rule of thumb would be on average about 1 meter between your toes. If traveling on skis or a snowboard, the same things apply. Act quickly, then get your feet below you and begin to dig in. Make sure your edges are across the slope and then gradually increase the edge pressure to slow down. Act quickly. Get your feet below you and the edges across the slope. And then apply pressure with a wide stance for stability. Act quickly. Get your feet below you. This may be awkward at times and take a little longer. But once there, increase the edge pressure and gradually bring your speed down.